Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to create a cinematic movie poster in Photoshop? Let's do it step by step. First, I added the image to the background, then I rasterized the image. After that, I filled the remaining empty area of the artboard. Next, I changed the image blending mode to multiply, then I applied the camera raw filter to give the image a more realistic look. Inside the filter, I increased the temperature. After that, I went to Adjustments and added Posterize. Then I adjusted Clarity and Dehaze for better detail. Now I added my hero image to the artboard. I used the magic wand tool to remove the background. After that, I added a layer mask and refined the edges using a soft round brush. Next, I added the heroine image on a new layer. Again, I used the magic wand tool to remove the background. Then I applied a layer mask and refined it using a soft brush. After that, I adjusted the blending mode to match the composition. Finally, I added the text and adjusted it properly. I applied a gradient overlay to the text layer and repeated the same process for the rest of the text. And that's That's it. Your cinematic poster is ready.